في مزرعة عم عثمان القريبة من الصحراء، عاش الجمل الصغير بازل مع أمه وبقية الحيوانات.
At Uncle Osman's farm, which is near the desert, the young camel Basil lived with his mother and other animals. At Uncle Osman's farm, which is near the desert, the young camel Basil lived with his mother and other animals.
كلما خرج بازل ليسير بجوار أمه، كانت حيوانات المزرعة تفرح به وبسنامه الذي يكبر ويكبر حتى أصبح مثل الهرم.
Every time Basil went out and walked beside his mother, all the animals became happy, because every time they saw his hump became bigger and bigger, until it was like a pyramid.
في أحد الأيام خرجت أم بازل مع عم عثمان تحمل المحصول إلى القرية البعيدة، فحزن بازل لفراق أمه حزنا شديدا، ورفض أن يأكل أو يشرب كبقية الحيوانات.
One day, Basil's mother went out with Uncle Osman to carry crops to the far villages. So Basil was very sad and refused to eat or drink anything with the other animals.
حاولت بقية الحيوانات أن تلعب وتضحك مع بازل، فقام الحمار حصاوي برفس الهواء، وتناطحت العنزة سلخة والعنزة ملخة، لكن بازل ظل حزينا.
All the animals tried to play and laugh with Basil. Hassawi kicked the air and the two goats Sakla and Makla fought in a funny way, but Basil still sad.
مرت فترة طويلة وبازل لا يأكل ولا يشرب حتى ضعف جسده. وفي أحد الأيام رأت الحيوانات شيئا غريبا.
A long period passed, but Basil still not eating or drinking until he became very weak. One day the animals saw something strange.
وقفت الحيوانات تنظر إلى بازل في تعجب، فسألهم بازل: لماذا تنظرون إلي؟ قال الحمار حصاوي: أين ذهب سنامك يا بازل؟
All the animals looked at Basil in a surprising way. Basil asked them, "Why are you looking at me like this?" Hassawi asked him, "Where's your hump?"
نظر بازل إلى ظل خياله في ضوء الشمس، فلم يجد سنامه، فبكى وقال: لو كانت أمي هنا لأخبرتني بسبب اختفاء سنامي.
Basil looked at his shadow in the sunlight and he didn't find his hump. He cried and said, "If my mother was here, she would tell me why my hump disappeared."
وفي أحد الأيام جرت الحيوانات نحو بازل سعيدة، فقد عادت أم بازل مع عم عثمان.
One day, all the animals were very happy and they ran towards Basil to tell him that his mother returned with Uncle Osman.
فرح بازل بعودة أمه فرحا شديدا، لكن ضايقه أنه ليس له سنام مثل أمه. اقتربت الأم من بازل ووضعت له الطعام والماء، فأكل حتى شبع وشرب الماء حتى ارتوى.
Basil was very happy, but at the same time sad because he didn't have hump like his mother. Basil's mother gave him food and water, and he ate and drank until he was full up.
بعد أيام فرحت الحيوانات حين بدا سنام بازل يكبر ويكبر. قالت الأم إن بازل فقد سنامه لأنه لم يأكل ولم يشرب.
After a few days, all the animals were happy because they saw Basil's hump started to become bigger and bigger like before. Basil's mother said, Basil lost his hump because he didn't eat or drink.
عاد بازل يسير بجوار أمه، وقد أصبح سنامه مثل الهرم مرة أخرى. نظر بازل إلى الظل خياله فرآه أكبر وأكبر، وبعد ذلك نظر إلى أمه وقال سوف آكل وأشرب أكثر وأكثر.
Basil returned again to walk beside his mother and his hump became like a pyramid. Basil looked again to his shadow, then he found it bigger and bigger. So he looked at his mother and said, I will eat and drink more and more.
وهنا اكتملت القصة، ونتمنى أن تشاركوا في القناة ليصلكم الجديد. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.